Hello everyone, my name is Prasid. In this video, I take much pride in talking to you about the opportunity that my classmates had provided me to put to use my leadership skills. Our class is a mix of students from different schools, from different systems of educations and geographically different. It was observed from our class assignments and terminal tests that some students were finding it challenging to assimilate the lessons, cope up with their studies and accomplish their assignments. As our results for the first semester exams were announced, our observation proved very right. The marks of most of the students was not very encouraging. Some students turned emotional as peers, we empathized with them and counseled them. As a next step, I, along with a group of students, brainstormed the reasons and analyzed the reasons for low scores. We realized that most students were not following the timetable for study, nor did they have any checklist. Our class strength is about 45 and we decided to split ourselves into groups comprising of 5 to 6 members each. Students who had excelled in their first semesters and who had strong basics were made the team leaders. I also explained the benefits that are to the team leaders. They would be enriching and honing their leadership skills. Our objective was to teach these students in difficult lessons. This was accomplished through assignments and giving them problems to solve. Before that, we would teach them the logic and the theory behind the problems. My idea was readily welcomed and accepted by all the students. We as a group agreed and brought in a consensus that ego must never come in our way. We wanted to do whatever it takes to optimize our class overall performance in academics. We also would conduct weekly reviews to ensure everyone was on track. The teams would meet after college hours. I encouraged my team members to ask questions in class. At this point of time, I would definitely like to quote from Dr. Abdul Kalam. He used to say that teachers are the driving forces of change. It is very important to ask questions and classrooms should be creative. They should be rooms of debate and discussions. I would emphasize the importance on planning and time management for my team members. I also encourage the team leaders with the permission of my class teachers to conduct debates, ensure that all are given opportunities to talk and participate. Everyone must be brought to the fore to alleviate the fear of failure or ridicule. I have the confidence that over a period of time they will definitely get rid of their fear fully. A healthy competition built in among the teams. As a student myself, I had to personally ensure that my scoring does not dip due to this activity. I had to lead them to the goal. I had to show them the way. I knew I had to lead them only by example. I would give pep talk to the team leaders and the team members separately to instill them confidence. Students were overwhelming with bubbling with activity. Our passion towards achieving the goal, the way the whole flow of communication was received by the students, made the students in turn to give their best to their studies. The second semester results were announced a few weeks ago and the students witnessed vast improvements in their score levels. The class thanked me for putting into action such an initiative, which they claimed had boosted their energy levels, and they requested that this exercise be continued for the next semesters as well. I see that the whole drill, which I consider has been highly successful, has permitted us to enrich our skill sets, to lead from the front, to develop a positive attitude and understand the importance of team spirit, and has taught us to handle situations efficiently. These, I strongly feel, are some of the vital ingredients of an effective and efficient leader. A newborn baby will blindly believe its parents. In the same way, I trusted my team members and it has yielded results. I would like to thank Microsoft for having provided me with this wonderful opportunity to share all this with you. Thanks a lot. Thank you once again.